In today's classrooms, technology is as essential as textbooks. From interactive whiteboards to student laptops and administrative servers, schools depend on a wide range of IT devices. But what happens when that equipment becomes obsolete? Today we are breaking down how responsible WEEE connection helps educational institutions to stay compliant, environmentally conscious and budget aware. Whether it's student records, staff payroll data or confidential emails, every digital device in a school stores sensitive information. Simply throwing out an old laptop or a server is not just bad practice, it's dangerous. Data leaks in schools can lead to safeguarding breaches, parental backlash and even ICO investigations. Your school's integrity depends on how you handle end-of-life IT equipment. UK schools must comply with GDPR, the Data Protection Act and DfE Data Protection Guidelines. That means you are legally obligated to securely dispose of any device containing personal data. Local authorities and academy trusts are also required to follow strict procurement and disposal frameworks. The days of tossing old kit into storage cupboards or giving it away off the books are over. A proper disposal chain must include full traceability, data sanitization, and verifiable certificates of destruction. TFIX offers a turnkey solution for schools and colleges managing outdated tech. We handle every device from classroom PCs to servers and networking hardware with certified processes. All drives are either securely wiped using government-compliant software or physically destroyed. We record each asset's serial number, log every step of the collection, and issue audit-ready destruction certificates. It's safe, fast, and fully aligned with educational governance standards. Disposing of equipment properly doesn't just avoid legal issues, it saves money. Refurbished parts can be repurposed, extending the life cycle of electronic equipment. Valuable metals like copper and aluminium are recycled, supporting both your green agenda and Ofsted's growing interest in environmental practices. So by working with TFIX, schools demonstrate accountability to parents, governors and auditors alike. So if you are a head teacher, IT manager or part of the school business team, now it is the time to act. Don't let unused equipment become a liability. Schedule a secure WEEE collection with TFIX today. Protect your pupils' data, free up your storage, show regulators you take compliance seriously. Old IT equipment doesn't belong in cupboards, skips or charity bins. It belongs in a secure, certified recycling workflow, and we make that easy. Thank you.